Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Seronia and I'm back with another video. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been trying to get everything together for school because I just started back in school and it's the struggle already. But anyway, I decided to buy a wig from AliExpress, but this is weird because I don't know, they have like 2 different names for the wig company, but it's whatever. But yeah, this is what it came in. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's like no. But anyway, yeah, it came in like the DHL plastic thing, but I just took that off. And I don't know, I never had my hair in a box before, so your girl feel kind of fancy, I'm not even gonna lie. But like, I done had those cute little bags, whatever, pink bags and stuff. I never had it in a box, so your girl feel fancy. My box came kind of busted up, but I don't know, this wig better not be busted, that's what I know. So yeah, I'm gonna just take this off. Oh, baggy. I don't know how to open this, y'all. And sorry if it's kind of loud. I got my fan blowing, it's hot. Okay, so this is how it comes. Bag. Okay. It just said the inches, and I did get 14 inches because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this hair, and I don't know how it is or how the wig is, like the party spaces, whatever. And I think I spent like $89 to $93, something like that. Okay. Come with some laxative tea if you backed up, you stopped up, whatever. Come with their little hand flip. Elva. Oh yeah, that's the second name. Elva here. I guess it's together. I don't know. I show you all these little wigs they sell. Which one did I get? I think I got like this one. I don't know. One of those. Okay. Bye. They come with a weaving cap. I'm not gonna need that. They gave me a little note. It's cute. Happy friendship forever. Because they're gonna be blowing up my DMs now, asking me about hair. Yeah. Okay. Let's open up this wig. This. The net on it. Oh. Okay, Elva. You might just done something. This hair is soft, y'all. It comes with 4 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 at the bottom and the back. And it comes with the little adjustable straps. Let me get up so you guys can see. Adjustable straps, clips. Oh shoot, my bad. It's soft. I'm not sure if it said bleach knots or not, but these aren't bleached, so I'm gonna have to bleach them. They come with little baby hairs. Let's see. But I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna do my own plucking. They kinda pre-plucked the edges, but I'm gonna do some more because that's not a natural hairline. But yeah, they look kind of snug. I don't know, y'all. My head ain't big, but it ain't. It's shedding. So Yeah, it's definitely shedding. I'm gonna put it on the mannequin head so we get a better view of it. Okay, y'all, so the rest of the video is going to be a voiceover because I can't do two things at once. I can't record a video and talk at the same time because I get way too distracted. But anyway, this how the hair came out. This how it looked naturally. I didn't do anything to it. But right now I'm just showing you all the parts in space. Anyway, the knots aren't bleached. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna grab my bleach and my developer, and when I mix it, I want it to look like this. I want like a toothpaste thickness, like, yeah, no wateriness because ooh, no wateriness because I don't want it to seep through the lace, because when it do that it bleaches the hair, and I want black hair, not orange or yellow hair. But anyway, y'all don't come for my brush that I was just using, because my last video it worked, but this time it was a no. But yeah, when you applying the bleach on the lace, you don't want to be too rough or too heavy handed. Just put it light, because like I said, you don't want it seeping through the lace or whatever and bleaching your hair. So this is how my hair came out. It works for me. There is no set time that you should keep your bleach on a lace. Like, I don't know, you just gotta watch it to make sure it's not like over processing or whatever, because then your lace will be orange or whatever, walking around with orange scalp. Like, that's not cute. But anyway, this is how it came out when I bleached it. So now I'm gonna start plucking the edges. I did part behind the baby hair that they already took out, because I feel like that part was already thin, so I don't want like a super thin or like look like it's balding type edges type thing. So I just part behind it and start plucking from there. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just brushing just to like get all of the hair out, and you'll see me like, yeah, like this, like I'm trying to style the edges to see how thick it is or how it'll look. If it's too thick, I'll pluck some more, but if it's right, you know, I just keep it whatever. When I do my edges, I try to go for like a more natural type look, and this is how I do my edges on a daily basis, so it was pretty natural to me. I'm really struggling with this mannequin hair right now, but I'm just parting just because I don't think the part is like wide enough for me. It don't look pretty natural, look kind of thick, so I'm just gonna pluck some hair from the part to make it look more natural and fit my needs. When plucking your part, you don't want like a super wide part. Like, if you could put your finger in between, you got a problem. Like, you don't want to be looking like Moses just parted the Red Sea, okay? That's why I keep double checking mine and pulling mine to the side, so I make sure it's not too thick or too thin or it's uneven. Because I didn't realize my camera died until I finished doing my edges. So, sorry y'all missed all that. I'm pretty sure you know how to lay your edges because I'm pretty sure you do it on a daily basis. But anyway, what? I cannot talk today, y'all. But anyway, I'ma just take some of this mousse, and y'all, I got this mousse from the Dollar Tree. So if you ballin' on the budget like I am, go get you some 107 mousse, and you'll be good. But I'm just putting this mousse on his hair, and I like to apply the mousse when the hair is like damp, not dry, because then you put too much mousse and your hair be all crunchy and stuff. Anybody got time for that? But anyway, I'm just adding the mousse or whatever just to see how the hair looks. Just to see how the hair looks with the mousse on it, and not just like the natural curl when it's just wet. So yeah, I'm sorry my camera keep down. I could not get my life together. Y'all see me struggling with this mannequin right now. But anyway, this is me just cutting the lace off. When you cutting the lace off, be extra careful, because you don't want to cut not enough of the lace and then you have lace all on your forehead when you think you're looking cute. But you don't want to cut too much and then be cutting all your hair off, because then you're gonna have bald spots. So just be very careful. And I know it looks like I'm moving like fast and being rough, but I'm actually moving hecka slow and being very careful. So this is how the hair came out. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. Like, it's so soft, it has so much body, and these curls are popping. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to add me on all social medias. My Snapchat and Instagram will be posted in the description and on the next video.